Greetings to Madam Rukina. My name is Firzana Izati binti Crispianus. My matrix number is 07DUB20F2033 and I will present about lattice roof. Introduction. First, lattice truss is a type of infrastructure design component that is used in construction. It is made up of interlaced cords that are cross-linked horizontally and diagonally to provide a structure with stability and support. 2. Lattice trusses are more prone to pitting and crevice corrosion, which may go unnoticed due to the presence of multiple structural members and a corresponding increase in the number of corners present in a single structure. 3. Because it is typically designed with more unit members than are required, a lattice truss provides increased structural stability through force dispersion. In addition to the equilibrium conditions, the total forces of a lattice truss are determined by the individual forces and stiffness of each member. 4. Crevice corrosion can occur in lattice truss structures because each interlaced angle creates a pocket for water and debris to collect. Blast cleaning is frequently used to expose corrosion of lattice members that would otherwise go undetected during regular inspections due to the material buildup. This is a component of lattice roof. First, lattice symmetrical trusses. Second, lattice girders trusses. The lattice roof consists of: first, column serves as building framing and support the roof truss. 2. Collar or tie beam used to connect the rafter of opposite sides of the roof to keep it from spreading. 3. Rafter serves as a roof truss and provides support for the purlin and roof cladding. 4. Bracing provides rafter stability and is used in buildings up to 60 meters in length. 5. Purlin used to support and install purlins. 6. Side rails. These add stability to the frame. 7. Roof cladding serves as a roof covering. 8. Connection. The joining of two or more elements such as a column to a rafter, a collar beam to a rafter, or a rafter to a rafter. Construction of lattice roof. First, lattice roof structures can meet all short, medium, and long span requirements. 2. Members can be arranged to meet external cladding slope and internal requirements while also meeting strength and deflection requirements. 3. The lattice form also allows for the support of internal services within the roof zone while keeping them accessible for maintenance. 4. The top chord of the lattice structure follow the required roof slope, but the bottom chord can be parallel or horizontal to the roof slope. 5. A horizontal bottom chord increases the service zone but results in bracing members of varying length. 6. A bottom chord parallel to the roof slope results in constant length bracing members, simplified jigging or fabrication, a smaller overall dimension for transport, and an increase in the clear internal height at midspan. Types of lattice roof. First, symmetrical pitch truss roof. 2. North-light lattice steel truss roof. 3. Multi-span lattice steel roof. 4. Cantilever lattice steel roof. 5. Space frame steel truss roof. 6. Lattice steel girder roof. 7. Space deck lattice steel truss roof. And 8. Tubular steel lattice rafter roof. First, symmetrical pitch truss roof. This type of roof is commonly used for medium and long spans. The shape of the frames that triangles, milled steel riveted or welded together to support the light steel purlin. Purlin is used to support the roof and its coverings. Trusses are installed at 3 meter to 7 meter intervals with the ends supported by steel columns or load-bearing walls. The type of roof covering determines the slope of the roof. Natural light and ventilation are provided by the triangular roof space. First, single bay symmetrical pitch lattice steel roof on column with corrugated sheeting. Second, single bay symmetrical pitch lattice steel roof on brick sidewall. Third, single bay symmetrical pitch lattice beam and column frame. 2. North light lattice truss roof. It has a symmetrical profile with the south-facing slope pitching at 170 degrees or more to the horizontal and the north-facing slope pitching at around 60 degrees. The entire south slope is covered in profile sheets and the entire north slope is covered in glass or translucent plastic sheeting. The span is between 10 and 15 meters. First, single bay north light lattice roof trusses on column with corrugated sheeting. 2. Single bay north light lattice roof trusses on steel column. 3. Multi-span lattice steel roof. To cover a wide area, meet the design factory building requirement. Use 2 or more bays of symmetrical pitch roof to limit both the volume of roof space and the length of the truss members. A valley beam is used to support roof trusses instead of closely spaced internal columns, which may obstruct the working floor area. The valley beam connects the internal columns and supports the roof trusses. The span is extended without any middle pillars to support the roof. The truss span has been increased and can now reach 60 meters. First, 2 bay symmetrical pitch lattice roof and column with valley beam. Second, 2 bay symmetrical pitch lattice steel cantilever umbrella roof. Third, 2 bay lattice butterfly roof. Fourth, 2 bay lattice beam roof on steel column. 5. Multi-bay north light lattice roof. Connection of lattice roof. First, component bolted joint to connect the temporary eccentricity of the shear line to the rod bolt's centroid axis. Second, welded joint. The weld centroid is organized in such a way that even with the centroid axis angles in the plane gasket. Third, gasket plate. Transfer from one joint to another. The plate thickness is determined by the thickness of the joint's trusses. The picture showing the example of connection of lattice roof. Types of materials. Solid wood. It is commonly used for building features. It is more economical and less expensive than steel. The disadvantage is that wood is not as strong as steel and has a shorter life expectancy. Laminated wood. Used in buildings where a high load liability is not required, and it does not have a high bearing capacity and low price. Steel, suitable for large and tall buildings. It is more expensive than wood, but it is more durable. It is simple to perform and versatile. Steel pipe is used to build trusses that must withstand high loads. Suitability of lattice roof. A large and broad structure, a single-story commercial or industry structure. The interior of the building is more open, with fewer partitions and walls. There are no walls, minimum, or pillars, columns, or stiffener in the building, open area or walls. Building examples include: first, warehouse; 2, a factory; 3, sports centers and swimming pool; 4, recreational structure. That's all from me. Thank you.